Let's activate your Hot Budget license. Go to hotbudget.com/download and review the compatibility requirements. Download a Hot Budget template. Open Hot Budget on a compatible version of Excel. Enable macros. Wait for Hot Budget to load. Click Setup. Fill in the requested information. Your username is your full name. Do not add special characters to your phone number. Enter your phone number like this. Click Next. Enter your computer name and click Next. Enter your order number or code and purchase date in their respective fields. Your order number is case sensitive. Your order number and purchase date can be found on your Square confirmation email. Click Activate. Your activation was successful. Click the link to get started. You can now begin using Hot Budget. Questions, comments, email support@hotbudget.com. We're happy to help.